What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking personal portfolio using Canva. So here you want to go to canva.com. It's a great universal tool that can help you create like virtually any designs, from posters to portfolios to like presentations and so on. So what you want to do is go to canva.com here and of course sign into your account or create an account if you haven't already. Now the second thing that you want to consider is the type of portfolio that you want to make. So if you want a like one-page portfolio, you can go to search for like templates for poster, okay, and you can find many templates here for one-page portfolios where you can post your image, choose a design, and put in your information and your contact information and whatnot. Or if you want to create a multiple-page portfolio, you simply need to search for portfolio templates. So portfolio, okay. And you can browse many portfolio designs. So that's what we are going to do in this video. I'll show you how to create and edit a multiple page personal portfolio. So here in the portfolio template, you can hover over any design that you like and you'll see the number of pages that it consists of, and it will like give you a quick preview of the design of the different pages here. So depending on the type of your business or what you want to create a portfolio for, maybe you are a freelancer and you want to create a portfolio to showcase your work, or you are like you have a website and you want people to know more about you and so on. So here let's scroll down to view some portfolio designs here. So this one actually looks good. Okay, let's scroll down. Actually, let's go to the top. I think I like this one the best. So the it consists of 6 pages and I can view the content of each page. So let's click on it. And here you'll get an option to view the pages more clearly in like a bigger view here. And you can view similar templates if you want to view similar templates of this type. And if you decide you want to start working or editing this template, to click on customize this template. It'll open in a new page here and you can edit virtually all the elements here. So let's start with the main page, the first page. So here let's write in our name. So double click to highlight the text here. So let's enter like John Smith here. Okay, and in portfolio let's edit the portfolio word. So let's write in, for example, my portfolio. Okay, let's make it a bit wider to fit in, and let's also increase the size of this box here, this white box, okay, to contain the word. Now let's say I want to move my name up, okay, like this. And here you want to enter your type of business. So let's say I am an accountant, okay, and here I can edit the font. So let's make it this one, for example. Of course it doesn't look right, but for the sake of the video I just want to show you the customizations that you can do. Let's actually go back to the actual original font and you can edit the font color. Let's make it pink, okay, as you can see here. And let's add a background to this word. So here in the elements, let's go to shapes here and we can choose a shape. We can edit the size, okay, and move it here. And we want to make it or get it behind it. So let's click on the 3 dots here, and then in the layer let's click on send to back. Okay, looking good. So let's move on to the photo here. So we want to change the photo. However, we have a nice placeholder or a nice frame for the photo. So you can upload your own photos here. To click on upload, you can upload your own photos to post here. However, I'll search for like some like sample photos or some stock photos. So let's search for like guy in suit. Okay, man in suit. Good. So this one looks good. Let's drag it here, and let's like edit, double click on it to further align the photo, right? Okay, this looks good. Now we can also change the background color. If we click on the background, make sure it is chosen and choose another color. So let's see, let's make it this purple color. Okay, and let's scroll down. This is the page number 1. I do not like the page number, so I'll delete it. So about me, let's enter anything. So okay, let's highlight the text. I am an accountant. Okay, and I can also add some elements, some lines, some text element. So let's add a heading. This heading will say something like this is my info, for example. And let's change the size. Let's make it a bit smaller, make it italic, and let's choose this font. Okay, this font style and this font. Okay, and for the photo, again, we can edit it. We can search for some elements here. Can view some, and you can enter some videos, of course. However, if you want to print it, we cannot do that. So let's go to photos and enter a photo of a computer desk or any computer. Okay, this photo looks good. Can drag it here, double click on it to further align it. We can rotate it, add effects, adjust it, and also make it smaller or bigger. However, it looks good the way it is right now. Page number 2, as I want to do, I delete this icon. Education, you can enter your education info, replace this photo also, and you can add here some shapes or some elements here. Let's add like a chart. Okay, this chart looks good, and we can write in info on it here. Okay, percentage. You can edit the percentage and the line weight here. Let's like this percentage label, add a percentage label, and a rounded endpoints. You can make it sharp or round. I like it this way. Okay, let's add lines, for example. Okay, can add this line to separate like the percentage from the photo. Okay, looking good, everything looking good. And once you are happy, and here you can either enter your contact info, so that's your website, your phone, and so on. And you can also enter your social media. So if you search for Facebook, okay, sorry, not in the lines, so in the elements, search for Facebook, and I can here view all the graphics. So let's add this Facebook icon, make it smaller. Okay, and let's add like Instagram. Okay, let's make it small as well. Okay, and you can align it with Facebook. And since this is like a professional portfolio, since I'm an accountant, as supposed to be, I'll add like a LinkedIn logo. Okay, and I also make it smaller, of course, it duplicated, added 2 times. So let's enter it like that. And next to each icon, I can enter my like social media name for this platform that I'm on, so people can connect with me on social media. And once I'm finished with all the design, I'm happy with all the design, I can of course delete complete pages or add new pages if I want to. And now I can click on share here, and download it. I can download it as a PNG or photo, or as a PDF or a PDF print or JPEG. It's up to you. And you can choose the pages that you want to download, if I want to download all the pages or only select few of them. And this way I have created my professional portfolio on Canva.